I didn't know.
Right, you like go a little lower, huh? Yeah, these boys good guys. Players right here, boy.
Move it over. Yeah, move it to like right now.
Blackout digi, dash got to spark steering wheel, custom, with the chrome touches.
Went all in behind the spoke.
Shit. Wow. Check out the brakes. Navy. Chrome. Yeah, that looks real good.
See the front of that hat where I lasered it back in?
Yeah, you mean to hold this whole cap, right?
No, right there, yeah.
Yeah.
Where it says Wilwood?
Yeah.
All that's been lasered back in.
I know. I noticed the whole kit.
I sent the boats to Advance and had them chrome. The
boats on them, okay. I see those too, yeah.
It's got electric parking brakes on it. It's got two coppers on the back.
These are the new ones, yep.
I had to double do all them.
Oh, I see the other one, yep. Yep. Look at the doors. Look at the damn doors.
TMI interior. Damn.
Well, no, that's past TMI, I think. Look at them damn doors.
Right there. Yeah. TMI. Yeah. Yeah, that's glued in. Stuff that puts the Ford truck on. It didn't quite come out like I wanted it, but it was close enough, I guess. I quit working on it. I wanted to do it in one piece, and I just wasn't enough fabricator to do that.
So they're still there. Everything's there, plus the boards in the hill.
I powder coated the valve covers, that pipe's powder coated.
Okay, that's all powder coated.
Everything else painted.
Okay. Oh, wow, okay.
Jonathan sanded and painted the motor.
Right, because I'm looking at the block. Like the block painted. Had to get custom headers? Okay.
Same headers on it.
Okay.
They're ultimates.
Okay. They look great. Look at this. Never seen a, that's custom too, right? I'm like, I've never seen a casing like that.
Yeah, then we couldn't put a radiator cap on it, so I had to make all, I had 3D print all that crap.
So you do have some 3D printing on here. How much more did you had the 3D? What else did you 3D print on here? Inside?
Everything.
Inside. Who did the doors and everything, right? Who did the interior?
Jonathan.
Ah.
Well, a guy named Jeremy.
Out of days. out of the shop.
Yeah, that's the first one they completely done.
Ah, yeah. I'm looking. Somebody walked up and said TMI interior. I'm like, bro, that's way past TMI.
A piece behind the seat, he made it out of a piece of wood, then remade it.
And then fit the seats.
And then made it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, he had to fit the seats in it and make it around the seats. But the door panels are so nice. I've seen those man, bro. This bitch is too damn nice. Oops.